everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my kitchen. And today I have this. It's the COMAN video tripod. And I got this because I'm currently using this tripod here that I have that has the ring light on it. And it is just not so stable. And so I figured, okay, it's probably time for me to upgrade and get something decent. So let's see how this one looks and see how it works. It's got a little weight to it here. Let's open it up. If I can do it correctly. Sorry, I'm wearing a tank top today. I just did not feel like dressing any nicer. So this is what's in the bag. Nothing else in the box. And here we go. And I'm just using it with my phone mount right now, that other one. So I want to get a better camera and a whole better system. So that's where I need something a little bit more complex. So this kind of cool, comes with this bag. So it makes it nice and easy to carry around. Strap on it here, so let's see what we got here. So here's the little arms here for this. Let's see what we got here. And the bag is kind of nice. It's got this little zipper section here, so you can put some stuff in it. Right now it looks like it has some little wrenches to put it together with, and the instructions. And it's a nice little padded case too, so that I can keep this thing pretty well protected. So let's open this up and we'll try this out. It actually feels nice and heavy duty, which is good. And this other thing is so horrible lately. So it comes it's just got the foam on top of it to keep it protected. But here's how it lets all folded up. And then we can open it up here. And then it's got the different little areas here, so you can make it wide or a little closer in if you have a smaller one. So let's see, we'll do that. It's got some. Boy, this is nice, heavy duty. So let's see here. So we'll just put this here at this level here. So we'll do there. And then we can go big and tall. Let's see how tall we can get it. It just feels so well made. I just feel like this thing is gonna last forever. My other ones, the little things here would be falling apart and stuff. This one here is just nice. Definitely adjustable heights and stuff. So here we go. So it gets up pretty high. So that's taller than me. I almost would never use it that high. I guess if you were doing like a concert or something like that, you needed to be over the people, you could use it for that. Let's put this on here. So it's nice that it's adjustable too. So you can, so if you want to have so I'll show you here, the bar way out here. You can have it way out, or you can tighten it up here so it can be lined up with the item, just depending on how far you need it to be. And then when you tighten it up, I guess it tightens everything. Yep. And then I'm gonna lower this. So here we go, just so I can see it. But here we go. So here's the thing here, so we can tighten it and lower it with this here. We can lock it in place. And then it's got nice, it's got a little bubble level there. And then we've got the mount here. So this is where we'll put our, that slides out here. How does it come out? I'm gonna move this up a little closer so you guys can see it a little better. Put everything close. So you can see what I'm doing here. Okay, good, better. Okay, so here is where I'm messing with it now. So I can take this, so this here, so you can see where it's at on there. So you can screw in your camera into it right there, and then slide it back into where, and it even has the location of where it goes, and you can just tighten it in place. It's nice. It's got another screw point here, so you can put another light or anything like that in there. You can see that there. I can unscrew this one here, so I can rotate back and forth. And then this one here is the total pivot one right there. Boy, this has really got everything you could need for a good tripod here. So I like this. This is really nice. So I think this is awesome, and it was packed up so nice and into that little bag to be able to take it places. So this is like the most stable tripod I've ever used. Let me see if I try to make it even more stable by going out a little more. you can put it on some really good areas and really have it super stable going out that kind of distance. So it could really go, that's probably 6 feet across or so. Probably would never use it like that, but I'll always use it this way. But it's really nice. I like this tripod. This is the COMAN one. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. And definitely do, because this one is probably the best tripod I've ever used. And I've been using a whole bunch of different ones. The ring light one here is just not adjustable at all. But then this one here is just so nice. And then it's got all the different little screw things too, so I can adjust things even more. I can take off the little video head here, so if I want to take off the video head to put other things on it, and to slide things around and release it. I think it's just I'm not sure how it comes off, but slide it off the back to be able to adjust this. I can mount this permanently to my camera, to my video camera. And then it goes back on, and then there it is. And then you got the little button to release it, and it works out pretty good. So I really like this. It does everything I need it to do. Very quality. You can see what I was doing here. This was the button here. So if I want to release it, I take it out and then I can see it. So it's not going to slide off. You won't lose your camera. That would be a problem I think people would probably have. So it won't fall off by itself. But then if you want to take it off, you can push this button here. I'll open this up, push the button, and then it comes out. So you can put it in from the top. See? Pretty nice. And then you can tighten it up there. So definitely love it. This is like the greatest tripod I've ever seen. So very good. I like it. So pick one of these up if you need a tripod that does anything more than just stand there. So this would be great for adjusting and for turning and moving and stuff. I mean, I love it. So thumbs up from me for sure. Be sure to get this one. So I'm happy. I'm gonna go switch everything over now. Probably gonna start using this one instead. So thanks for watching, and the link's in the description. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks, bye.